TSU Bloom.
Hey, 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 everybody. We're at the Jam and just came up with a King's Crown. You can call this Killer Klein Crown. No kidding. Thanks. Thanks for sharing with us. This is who shared it with us right here. So she gets the credit as far as I'm concerned.
No. You're gonna
No?
get somebody
Oh,
mad.
it's somebody else? Okay, I don't know who it was.
His name was, it's TSU Balloons.
TSU Balloons.
Yeah, TSU _ Balloons.
Okay, TSU _ Balloons. I don't know who you are, but
Yeah.
cool idea.
Yeah,
So, but Kathleen is the one who told us about it.
Yeah.
Hey, William. Hey, Michael.
Anybody? Here we go.
And there's our supermodel right here, Miss Kathleen.
Woo! Here's who posted it.
Here's who posted it, okay? Credits, but credits due. Whoever this person is, thank you.
We really don't know,
We
but
really
it's
don't
cool.
know, but
we like it.
good idea. Love the crown, Bill Beatty. Do you love Janet? She's not available. I tagged you. He said wishes. Get in line, she's very expensive.
Yeah, I'm priceless.
And her
I'm
husband will be here for a
priceless.
while. So,
You gotta
he
wait.
said snap. I don't think you can afford her. And she doesn't put out.
Oh my God, Steve! Will you stop?
That was terrible.
So
This is Facebook Live. Hey, Sean.
Sean?
Sean Phoenix, he's a magician
Oh, hi.
in my area.
Okay. Don't
Yeah,
have
yeah.
those.
We're all tired, you guys. It's only Monday lunch.
I know. It was a hard weekend.
It was.
That's what she said.
My last day. They're all bad. I'm with a bunch of women. What happens? The worst you comes out. No. Right, Janet?
Yes, the worst.
All right, you guys. Over and out. Bye-bye.